Aquatic mirages and optical illusions. There are moments when the Earth itself seems to perform magic bending light, tricking the eyes, and conjuring visions that dance between reality and illusion. These phenomena, though rare, are not products of fantasy or science fiction. They're optical illusions born of atmospheric science, temperature inversions, light diffraction, and humidity. From entire cities, floating above lakes to glowing rainbows in airplane windows, these mirages and light tricks leave both scientists and spectators awestruck. Let's dive into some of the most mesmerizing, authentic illusions ever captured on Earth. These aren't just viral visuals, they're windows into the astonishing capabilities of our planet's atmosphere. Number 1. The floating skyline over Lake Michigan, 2018. In 2018, people standing on the shores of Lake Michigan were treated to a visual enigma, the Chicago skyline appearing to levitate above the water. This wasn't a hoax or a doctored image. It was a superior mirage, a phenomenon that occurs when cold air lies close to the surface of the lake while warm air rests above it. Light rays bend downward due to the temperature gradient, allowing distant objects to be seen far beyond the horizon. Number 6. The split-second green flash, Caribbean sunset, 2022. As the sun dipped below the Caribbean Sea in 2022, photographers captured a fleeting emerald hue. Known as the green flash, this occurs just before sunrise or just after sunset when the atmosphere acts like a prism, separating sunlight into different colors. For a second or two, the green part becomes visible. It's not just folklore, it's real physics. Light travels differently through layers of air, and green, being more refracted than red or orange, is the last color visible before the sun disappears. Number 7. Airplane glory, the rainbow ring around your shadow, 2023. In 2023, passengers flying over Europe captured a glowing rainbow ring encircling the shadow of their airplane on the clouds below. This is called a glory, an optical phenomenon that occurs when sunlight is diffracted back toward its source by water droplets in the cloud. Viewed from the air, glories can look like halos, complete with multiple concentric colors. Unlike rainbows, which appear opposite the sun, glories form directly around the observer's shadow, often giving an ethereal, almost spiritual visual from the window seat. Number 8. Subsun reflection over Baltic skies, 2019. Flying over the icy expanse of the Baltic in 2019, a pilot captured the unusual sight of a second sun hovering below the horizon. This phenomenon, known as a subsun, is created by sunlight reflecting off flat, hexagonal ice crystals suspended in the air. Unlike a normal reflection on water, this mirror-like illusion appears in the sky itself. It's a chilling yet captivating reminder of how cold weather optics can distort our basic understanding of where light should come from. Number 9. Circumhorizontal arc, the fire rainbow, USA, 2021. In summer 2021, residents in the United States looked up to find streaks of rainbow-colored clouds slashing across the sky. This is the circumhorizontal arc, commonly nicknamed the fire rainbow. It forms when the sun is very high in the sky and its light passes through cirrus clouds made of ice crystals. Unlike typical rainbows, this arc forms horizontally, lighting up the sky in bands of neon pink, green, and violet. It's rare and breathtaking, a true testament to how ice and sunlight can paint the heavens. Number 10. Crown flash, Malaysia lightning beam, 2018. One of the most dramatic light illusions ever captured occurred in Malaysia in 2018. Known as a crown flash, the event showed beams of light dancing and radiating like a supernatural lighthouse above a thundercloud. This rare optical phenomenon happens when ice crystals in high clouds realign rapidly due to shifting electric fields caused by lightning. The result? Sudden flashes that look like searchlights in the sky, strange, powerful, and mysterious. Number 11. The Fata Morgana of icebergs, Newfoundland, 2020. In 2020, off the coast of Newfoundland, a photographer captured a strange sight: icebergs stacked high in distorted layers, almost like a fortress in the sea. This was another Fata Morgana, but over cold ocean water. With multiple layers of warm and cold air, light rays refract repeatedly, creating vertically stretched images. These complex mirages often show ships or icebergs floating or bending in strange ways. Sailors have told legends of ghost ships for centuries. This is the scientific explanation behind many of those tales. Number 12. The anti-twilight arch, Belts of Venus, 2021. During twilight in 2021, a photographer captured the Belts of Venus, a rosy pink band that stretches across the opposite side of the sky after sunset. Below this band lies the Earth's shadow, creating a gentle gradient of color. Number 13. Floating mirage of Black Mountain, Nevada, 2021. In Nevada, during the hot summer of 2021, the outline of Black Mountain seemed to float above the desert like a spaceship. This superior mirage was caused by layers of hot and cool air bending light rays downward. Number 15. Grand Canyon Sea of Clouds Inversion, 2020. In 2020, the Grand Canyon transformed into an ocean of mist. Known as a temperature inversion, cold air trapped beneath warm air caused clouds to sink into the canyon. The result was a surreal sea of fog spilling over the cliffs like waves. Number 16. The Sun Corona, Optics on Display, 2022. During a science demonstration in 2022, observers witnessed a corona around the sun, an optical halo formed by diffraction through water droplets or ice crystals. Unlike solar halos caused by refraction, coronas are formed by diffraction and often appear as concentric colored rings around the sun or moon. Number 17. Lenticular UFO Clouds, Mount Fuji, 2020. In 2020, cloud watchers near Mount Fuji observed enormous dish-shaped clouds hovering above the mountain, resembling flying saucers. These are lenticular clouds, formed when moist air flows over mountain ridges and condenses at high altitudes. Number 18. Arctic subsun seen from drone, 2022. Over the Arctic in 2022, drone footage revealed a glowing subsun shimmering on the icy horizon. The brilliant reflection, visible even in the drone's camera, was caused by ice crystals reflecting the sun like a mirror. These illusions may feel like trickery, but they're real phenomena grounded in science. The atmosphere is an artist, the sun its brush, and water droplets, ice crystals, and temperature layers its palette. These stunning visuals remind us how thin the line is between reality and perception. So next time you're on a flight, standing by a lake, or gazing at a distant mountain, keep your eyes open. You might just catch a miracle that's hiding in plain sight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing journeys into the wonders of our natural world. Stay curious. The next illusion might be right above your head.